Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you all for tuning in. I'm here with a real quick video for those who struggle with stitch braiding. When I'm not wearing my nails, I usually use my stitch rings, and I wanted to show you guys how to use them as well as the results. These rings are super comfortable, convenient, and especially for those with OCD that doesn't like to get that product under their nails, or for those who just simply can't braid with nails at all. These rings can be purchased on my site. I'll leave the link in the description box if you're interested. And if you have any questions or requests, go ahead and leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.